Welcome to the WireCrafters Cable Tray Support System installation video. We'll begin by installing the corner-style cable tray support. Position the support in place, and then set the basket tray on top. Next, we'll secure the tray. Place a rectangular flat washer across the tray wires and drop 2 carriage bolts through the slots. On the underside, add a flat washer and a self-locking nut to each bolt. Once everything is lined up the way you want it, tighten the fasteners until the tray is held firmly in place. Now, let's move on to the panel mount cable tray supports. In this example, we're attaching them directly to the panel frame. Simply drop a carriage bolt through the slot in the support and through the existing slot in the frame, then secure it with a flange nut. Repeat this for the second support, making sure they're spaced evenly. With both supports in place, lay the basket tray on top. Again, use a rectangular flat washer across the tray wires, insert a carriage bolt through the slots, and secure it underneath with a washer and nut. Tighten them up so the tray sits solidly on the supports. We'll also look at how to mount the cable tray support directly to the mesh. Place the support on one side of the mesh and a backing plate on the other, aligning the slots. Insert 2 carriage bolts through both pieces and secure them with flange nuts. Once that's done, lay the basket tray on top of the supports. Drop a carriage bolt through a rectangular flat washer and through the slot in the support, then finish it with a washer and lock nut underneath. Tighten everything until the tray is secure. Finally, go back and check each connection point. Make sure every support is tightened down, all fasteners are snug, and the tray is properly aligned.